Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to do a review of this beauty here. This is another beautiful piece from Sunny Wigs. Stick around to the end of the video and you can see what she looks like right out of the box. But basically, it's no different than this. This is a lace front wig. This is the, oh my gosh, I just forgot. It's the, blonde caramel macchiato something. I'll attach a link in the description below to this piece. It looks like she's still available, or there are others that are very similar to this, but she is gorgeous. 26 inches. This is a human hair synthetic blend wig. These fibers are just buttery soft. Oh my gosh. This is a lace front, as I mentioned. I have already cut the lace on this. It is a lighter lace because this is a lighter wig and the blonde highlights come all the way up to the top. But this is stunning. I don't even know what else I can say about this. Her wigs are just beautiful. The coloring of these wigs is like nothing I have ever seen before. Like that is maybe one thing that would give you away that you're wearing a wig, is that her coloring is just impeccable. Like, I have not seen a wig like this ever. Like, I don't know. Like, look at this. Look at these colors. There's dark, medium browns. It's kind of like an ashy blonde. It does have some warm, sorry, I have my scissors because I'm going to be doing some cutting. But this has like caramel blondes in it. It's like a macchiato kind of color. And a macchiato, drink is like very milky, but it's still a coffee drink. But it's, yeah, it just resembles this so much. In fact, I think this looks a lot like the macchiato, cafe macchiato colors that are from Raquel Welch. That kind of light brown, dark blonde, highlighted color. So, as I said, I have already cut the lace on this. It looks like there are some baby hairs, which is nice. That will help with blending this into your own bio hair, helping to kind of cover up any knotting that would be visible up there. But as you know, let me turn around and show you what this looks like from all sides. First of all, this is stunning. Oh my gosh. 26 inches. You know that I would never wear anything like this. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So I am right away just going to part this right down the middle here in the back, and I'm just going to start cutting off some of this wig because I want to start wearing her. I'm going to start to probably about here. And you've seen me cut many wigs, but I'm just going to start doing this about right here. Oh, these scissors might not be all that great. That's one thing. Well, or you have to, you got to have some good scissors, or you got to just do this in smaller sections of hair, which I think that was a pretty big section there. So I'm just going to go around and cut this wig to about this length and come back and see what she looks like. I might get some different scissors. Ooh, that's a pretty big hunk of hair. I like how these little like flips are coming into the wig. Okay, I'm back. quite a lot of hair came off of this wig piece. Gosh, I probably cut off 6 inches or so, if not more. And she is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, very blonde. I would say predominantly blonde, but a warm blonde. At times, like I think there's more warmth down here. Up here seems a little bit more ashy. But yeah, these fibers are so soft, and I bet you any money that I could loosen up these waves and even cut more off. But I don't know that I'm going to do that just yet. I do want to play around with this front. There are some face framing pieces here that I am really enjoying, so I don't know that I'm going to have to do a whole lot with that either. It looks like there's more on that side than this. Oh, there are some, I guess. So I am going to step away, and I am going to spray this with some water and some wig conditioning spray to see if I can get some lift out of this. This is a free parting space, so you should be able to part this wherever you want. And I'm going to attempt to do that. And maybe look at cutting in some wispy bangs here. We will see, but this is stunning. Now, I will say this, that if you have a lighter colored lace in your lace wigs, you need to make sure that you have the right wig cap, because you'll be able to see the demarcation of that wig cap. So you have to either wear a full cap, or you will have to get something that is more, flesh tone that matches the rooting that you have in your wig, or you might have to glue in a wig cap. And this wig did come with a standard wig cap. That's a really nice fleshy tone. Might be a little light, but it would also help. It almost is the same color as most lighter color wig grips. And so it might help to glue this into the top of the wig cap so that it would help disguise some of that and, hide some of the knotting. You could also put some wig tape up through there to help disguise that. But yeah, I am going to step away and play with this a little bit, and then I will be back. Okay, I am back. Look at this beautiful piece. This is after cutting it down, thinning it out a little bit. I might do that a little bit more. And cutting in some bangs and really zhuzhing this up a bit. Kind of looks like 80s hair a little bit. But this wig is freaking stunning. I'm going to turn around. I hope this looks okay from the back. I also did cut in some layers in this as well. And maybe you can see that in the back. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to cut more off of this. I did do it. I did cut off quite a bit, and then I even went in more and trimmed this. I might go maybe an inch or two more, but this is stunning. Oh my gosh. Like, this coloring is perfect. I can't even tell you how beautiful this is. Like I said, that's the only thing that would reveal that you're wearing a wig, is because the coloring is just too beautiful. Like, a stylist couldn't even do this. Like, you'd have to go to LA or something to get color like this. And I don't even know if you could ever achieve this, but this is stunning. I will leave a link to this in the description. It looks like she's still available. Hopefully she is. If not, there are plenty other wigs out on Sunny's Wig Shop on Etsy. Because I'll tell you, these wigs sell out. They sell out so quick. She might only make like, 2 or 3 of a style and color, and then they sell out. But I am not sure on that, but they tend to sell out very quickly. So I will leave a link in the description if I can do that. Otherwise, there will always be the link to Sunny's Wig Shop. But this is beautiful. Yes, this color is actually called Caramel Macchiato Blonde. Lace front, human hair wig, or human hair synthetic blend. But yeah, this is beautiful. You can definitely see the caramels. You can definitely see the blondes. But I am loving this. Like, this is the first blonde that, well, not first. There's a couple blondes that I can do. But I love this. This is perfect for summer. Yeah. The only thing is I might trim, or I might thin this out just a little bit more. But yeah, stick around to the end of the video and you can see what she looks like right out of the box. And yeah, I will also attach pictures of what she looks like outside in natural lighting. So hopefully this information was helpful for you. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.